Into 4 work and pay drivers na be cancer wa ha. Me mamu nyina akwa aba.
Yeah, ja.
Apomu ye de.
Adom
una last week oba ha no. Enti omo a wodi usika ma what wonka.
Maza menti wonka na company no kra company na yira system no. Na ebra me bre hu sa no obi ka kire me se me nkokumase na omo head office okumase.
Yes.
But masa me sika nyina na koloke ho. Me ye den sa to kwa kokumase. Me kokumase so a me nimo bia ho me kwa koye den me koda na se de na me kwa koye.
Na still a car no nsankan.
Masa car no me sankan me hu company na na mabisa se car no ewa hi.
And na e company e wa kra ha.
Oh, masa company no ewo tema ewo tema
omudin the same
omudin e the West Palm Investment aha inti then time no na kan almost say 220 million inti or say wo to 22 million
okay
na make bobusia e was Standard Chartered Bank e ko tuaye
in the Standard Chartered Bank loan what tuaye
masa min tuaye ye Mintua wie mi gina ha mi hu hyehye me papa ansa na me de gina ha. Enya easy.
And a company no kwatema ho mu ni ho bio.
Masa dan no mu rent dan no sese obi di dan no kra ya sorry.
Oh,
serious.
West Palm company.
West Palm Investment as na me kan. I feel ho ya sorry.
In the usika na hye.
Mesika no na tuti sem anoma e won fra mama e kona me hwe na chi.
Na before say oni won be kwakoye adwuma no na wa research ben wa ya fa won ho
actually no na papa bi no ma me taxi bi se me use na me use no kakra but papa no me fie ni me fie ni kan si me fie ohun se kan si me fie but there was a time midi kan ko no man fan kon ni fie kan no me fie Adichi Sunday no petututu papa be training sanse fa misika mami mi si oh manye djuma manye night onu ankasa e fiteni mi pomfri wo chen no na ma be park kai wo fie chinchina o si ojiska that day no me last morning ya mi ne me bedi eno ojiye e di koye e ho na obi mi ko ka ma asem wo station na no bi kire mi say oh ya bie ka bi wo ya bie work and pay loan bi wo temahon munti mi so mi ko try hwe e na mi so koye akoye akodi asema abami amami
enti nipa na okanfo sa investment company ne ma wo no o ma we aware o mo track record say other people enyo mo taxi o mo twi ne ade
oh actually bia me call company ho manko eneya na me kotuaye
okay
me koye kotena ho observe bibenu mu kakra na me koye kire me sa call bio me call 3 times ansa na me discan e koma wo me ko nyina no na me work scan inti scan nya baya na me dikoma wo inti ni o introduce omuma me no na ono nso no let me say na dan for binu muso use the same company cars ne bi inti obehu say West Palm Investment ya trouble cars ho inti company ne wie no afi me pese me nyanka na mehu cars ne bi sa wo krum in fact na dwebone aba metim se me nyamu cars ne bi wo krum anka ye bedi no nyonyonyo
oh okay
aha but akobasa ne nti no man to me anye bibia biom
oh okay
me ko ho emre bi me ko ho no me ko ho na security man pene wo ho na me si ofa ade wo konso na security man say o ebeye no mo air track bibi no mu medini sa one day me ko ya paper na me hu say tare dan no
e no mo se dan
masa abrofo no mo kire no
ezi awaje atom se wusika na hye
eno na me hwe se sika na hye ko no nti na maba ha se emua bi wo ho a se ayebeye ayebetressi West Palm Investment me call up for the first time no me hu say Adom FM certificate bi bo
Adom FM
nti na me feel say something okay
Adom FM certificate Adom FM certificate ma certificate sticker na e bo wa na answer den
me hu bibi sa once companies no ya no mo bibi sa certificate bi share glass mo mu de assist bibi sa
oh okay okay eno ne ma wo nya agidie
na me nya agidie satam no kra na me nim say Adom FM ofi committee 2 me di America ko committee 2 a why dodge yeah one na me nim say send
mo sa asem ya wo kan no year ben na to wi
asem ye 2012 2013
na sa che
masa
and now the 22 million call you know
yes
at that time 22 million was huge man.
Oh, it was money
and from that time up to now wo GDS still a wo benya osika
masa onim ade ba ko ya eye me to me enya gidi omuni say obi betumi ayira all right, but one day obe yebeshia wo mo aminim wo ho guy bi a odi yenim Mr. Oman
yes
I say so no na district manager no say afa dem me from my and line nko line bia nko bium and moreover me ko ho no so me ko share also for bia so no so ye part time adwuma keke wo ho ono so ye a osina contract na ye wo
ma mean say other colleagues no opani at saying
but
we a friend saying
but your friend Daniel Apia
yeah Uchi work and pay cars maybe
but
working for how long
it's 1 year 3 months
1 year Uchi no not just the car no everyone sa adan
me konya accident through accident no the day or the year
why na the man
mine be Odumasi
Krobo
the very call Pokwasi Amomo
okay
or the mommy as or the can Hundatos or the mommy 380 million
okay and now a brand new
home use
okay
and the agreement I will say week may says 3 million
every week 300 Ghana
but let's say yen san 2020 count in case baby sell kind one na ya be
apart from sales now 300 Ghana a week no monsan 20 Ghana every day every week 20 Ghana
until they be a instead of 3 million
over 3.2
and they go until me yejuma anajobe 12 to 1 anya ede bawishi me sane onum me hu be bia de metia se obi jana manim me play breaker anya yi na me de born until me ration ni ko Lucy Hospital ti yakọ na so mo ntimenti omo transfer de ko 37 ba se na me kan na ma ye no me ntimi sound drive me kan ti me ja me kan no hospital na me fa ka foforo na me ni tum na me ni ko 37 ti me se no 37 be ahwachi be 5 o'clock and a boy ni gym and uwe ntimi samba anya
a boy ni ewu na you can speed now ko speed pa
na me sane ofre se unim nic e de ba awosha ye sanem anajo be 12 to 1 nti careful na me careful no say hoso fu say ho no free o me ntimi hu ti de me hu de me tia ne pai ene me glass en nti me ma no so ni ko o man ntimi na o mo refer ba 37 ye on na be ahwachi be 5 and a boy ne front me samba soldier for a guide me ba 37 anya police station number report and no mudi me tum ti efre kawra na bona man no so eno enfa na nti kwa me fa so amede ne ka bebren me fa nti me de mu be 1 week on na ye de me ba court na court man bill nti every man be me ba court nti asien sikasem na de nyina o se ni 1 city on fancy nti me ko bobu suya every on kwa me bi kan frame ko bobu suya mo 70 million am de ayren asset case na kan me ayren mi kan be fi nti boy no so ni sie mi na de nyina so o se
ono so
mo kapra mo nti mi na me ye bibia naija American be fi no so be scream bomba bibia se masan ko bobu suya edi aye me ye kan ni
20 Ghana susu na moto no wa me wa nyi bi amfanye
1 cd wa amfanye ti me ye kan ni wi ana o se me garanta na den emra say wonu no oni me garanta no so abeye baako nti asem amaka se me garanta no so fa na dwen den ema me nti ho no me de kan ba na no se me park kan na e chiro be den obe frame Nti be a week time maintaining ka. Nti 2 weeks time I call na car ni fio. No the car na den.
I'm a nipa for
I'm before. And I'm so the car na mo before dia. A car na would ya. Me da me find some my den. My breg unti 2020 na ma 2 susu.
Yeah.
About 1 year on fine mommy. I say on miniska biare at the mommy.
Hey, at that time na 300 a week and what you for be how long?
Mature 1 year 3 months.
What you are 1 year 3 months?
3 months.
In the no okabomua not just a bear saying no.
And when I'm make calculated I'm almost about getting to 200 million. And I'm getting to 200 million. Getting to 2 million. As I'm 2020 no so make calculated no 20 million so almost 9.6 for a year. By 3 months you need my finding. I'm fan count. Me china I say me pa me fan kono gopo. And I'm sure my the me ni baby am the make so abu mi kwase ade ombu mi kwase na fine no fanko and I can dey. Nti asem nukura I work court see every month be am court.
O call home court.
Me call court. Nti say
and the call court said they say omun ji usika ne ma.
The Benjamin na me call say boy any case no.
Okay boy ne dey.
Okay court na ma me but nti asem no court ye ntwa asem no dey be am court. Nti my friends o nti case at me one more me kura nti court tori bi kwa na me kokota miniska miniska me fa kante bo me nanti free pokwa se ma be si ko AMA
okay
of exam anko the bench warrant were ba be chimi nti me friend na me kono a o se oni me ni asem ya nti na ha me nti ma se me won kola 3 na oba nti enkola nya gufie isi a me nya ejuma nti kola nya gufie isi nti o ma na madam fo bi afre me spare.
It's a sad story. Messing about hobby, ma mintie unye. Openi o your friend was saying
from John Donko.
John Donko.
Yes, sir.
Also uchi work and pay ni be.
Uchi work and pay ni be.
Kasagu Mike ni mama inti. Aha. Okay.
Uchi work and pay ni be.
O started training that way.
Oh, we starting last year. This year na kamewi.
This year na kamewi.
Kamewi.
Na for how long?
Oh, 1 year.
1 year. And I was all the tia car ne car. Hey, Adom. Now the car bear.
That matters.
And now the 1 year tia. And all the year you have taxi year.
Taxi year.
Every month who tia saying?
Every month via every week. Via mitia 30 Ghana. 300
cities.
3 million.
That's 3 million old cities every week.
Yes.
Now no by 54 weeks in a year, right? By 54 you bet me to die won eka. Now the would I would saying or the saying
umayusu. Now there or the mommy.
Okay.
No umayusu no the mommy. To the mommy mem the eduma.
In the other man saying or has it trias funny saying.
Oh, I say me fano
130 million. That's yes. 13,000 cities. Okay. In the no now more calculation within 1 year we to every
1 year no cry and
no what every
every
in the end see
masa this year ne say me kano say engine say e ko say wo tama motorway kwano so na me den me bo o kawo na na me say kano ayden asay the see nti ebe ne den ana yewe na so oh kano de me an meye kano nti de ten say de mentwe kano enfan firi ho enfan ayden emre fie na me hu the way a meye den meye afa okay me kan sa no oni an kahwe no so otsade a me fa kano ayden emre fie nti me de ba fie num na me ayden me ko pa bosia ayde adi betua ka oh nti me pe bosia sa manye bi nti la show me nya bank bi all la pass me bank na we finidin kakra na me ka paper me ka ba ko na me ka paper e ko ma no say onje no mam 30 million na mfa ko tua papa no eka na me hu say me ne ka bio me de bank ne ka sa di oh 30 million wa fa masa one month time say memmaji saska no oh saska no time no esun ya na sa time na me be de me ba jiska no na sa time na papa no wajika no no wajika ndada
even what the 30 million come on no
30 million dey ma fa koma no 30 million dey ma fa koma
now the come on
30 million dey afin ma akame kochi efi bank
bank ni nyam fama
yes efa mam ye onu nyam fa mam ye so odi amam dia me ka ba ko no si fie no na onu I say na no onu ngin na say buy because akame Jesus kana akame Jesus kan betua we ne ka
okay into sa papa ne car no papa na je ne car
wa je ne car
after say utua say
me twa ni na me twa mana ka 30 million
aka 30 million why you juma tua in that what tua emu 10,000 cedis a film
masa
ama aka 30 million and car ne engine cost say na oh yes say o ko 30 million de akoma no na nka wa fa car no akoye engine ni yi na abeye wo dia and na o say dey o so yompene
ba engine kura na chi no me ye engine no medical ni ebe eye adwuma Monday the Monday pepepe no frame me say me wahi nam so me ye adwuma na me kopuku ase no so okay me ba me mana ona ne papa on mesia no muhu the way I can etie nam so you mate fine mose ba wo hweka na me de mini problem bia wo ho say me muntu me hweka na asa na muntu me de mo hweka no nam so okay emre du ye na emre no aso ye na me friend my wife e kan ho na ye de ye ko papa no ye ko papa na atwen say o twen ma ne ba no aba ne ba no so opoku ase nti o twen ma ne ba no bae no ne ba no bae no na ne ba no bisam say car no we nam so car ne de hobo no car ne hobo no enye nti me de akọ fitting shop mo ye de mo ye nti ade chia makọ aboso kan na ma ye de makọ akoto hobo ne bi na me de ahye anono oya sa pepe no na enti also won faka na yanko hwe na so okay on e wotumi afaka na yakọ na faka na yin na yakọ wade ne ka crowd kita no o pack the car na si ho na e dey o faka na yakọ hwe yakọ so zampa so car na si shop
hob na say and to cut a long story short no mo go through that process ni nyina we na waje car no aka 30 million e was
30 million ka 30 million pe
inti 10,000 Ghana cedis na watua no sa adwuma na ase na me ba o say individual because the any name they say me to me taxi na me nya driver ye sales mama every day unso unya sales man bro ade aka no eye wo dia sisi asa method na sesa ama ni nyina akoye work and pay ana
sisi ade e sisi ano wo ye method no sisi ade we akoye ne say like work and pay ni die wo binya car no eye wo dia unye car no entwa sisi maw
okay
onye
unye sales maka wo na no
wo be sales maka wo na no by unya pay enfrim
unya pay bi
enfrim
ba say no say sales no wo ya usu unya twibidi kakra wo mana
oni de yan bo se kan kwa de eduma ne de yin na ye ba ni anye kura wo kwa
unya twibidi kakra wo ba the agreement na ne say me twi atua wo bibi every month
yes
say me te car ne ka wi na car na be media
sa
and most of them no tua dru baby a na wa pekwan bi age car na fi wo
sa
say wo die
sa pepe
India no sa na den na obe ya na waja amaka
masa me de me kan say me de aka first no kam se me fan ko police station ba me aka me ko police station na me ma me buy no baby sa papa ne say your friend ba no pepe na o say aden ɔno deɛ ɔntumi mma ɔntumi mfi ne fie wɔ mma na ɔmayɛ den ɔmɔhwɛ ɔma no yɛnhwɛ ade no yɛnyɛ yɛnhu yɛnsɔvo saa problem no a ɔno deɛ ɔmfi ne fie
mma. Do you think that anka wunya loan in term free bank or and how the man na anka wobenya car no
sa
loan ni delay into the wafa car no
sa pepe me nua baako so me ni na ye ono ne dia no sa obowie no engine kura sey nti papa no onto engine ma no o ka chen say oniska
and ono so agye ne car
no de wanji by overton engine ama no engine de overton engine ama no no the engine here den oditi ne car no
yeah
oditi ne car ina ska o ma no ska ni swa oba 4 million and I say 6 million bi no here den odba ma no nti oya aduma no kaka oya aduma na no here den otwetwe ne kaka ma no sa no ditua ne ka
no ewie and now we expect this anka onso de ne obey arrangement bi sa na nka watua engine ne ka no e de ama no
sabe pepe te so no kra no onya se abutre no kra onya abutra akaska na nka mse ko je bank no akom diska no ma nka de na de
no na wa fa car no ndu bi se eye bo apaye obeso oje car ne free wunsem
aye bo apaye no she aye adi bia waye ba ko mo obi waje na me de me kwabra pa me de me de me nja manenka
ni ze obey den
one de o me yankopon me de maka sa asem we se me pa de me ja manaka na enye me
o de ne be fa ba bia na
me fa ba bia me de empire body masa me empire ye aduma empire ye aduma masa me sasem masa me asemu
say o come bible dey say what je nyame the bible nso say vengeance is the lord's nti wo na men kokon okon e wo say nyame kon okon ma
sa pepe
ya na wunya mu en to adwuma so
oh
ana say wo ni hwe ya we say ya wonya hwe
sisia de afina ma say menya car ne bia me de
another car and also work and pay
that be only in your work and pay
will be taxi or the amount and our sales man is it a sales mutu ya saying
oh says no yeah sister Ghana
a day every day what minya
oh masa I more week in the week never so no
na when you see card the kwanya be fa so the akobia in the week that's how much
oh about
30 cities
by
35 okay that's 350 Ghana 60 Ghana wow every week
yes
and as someone are dropping you much charge pa in the ubetimi enya
oh me do bia yan ye charge
anyways ma memra ora fiadowu kujo
yeah
it's saying utwi ne nye on
ba mi ba manage
manage in the o ye work and pay ni bi
me problem is say me o down for be or my sister fie your friend Bernard Homa so one day Bernard Homa oba mi chen say o practical ba onim ka so me fa kon bia so na me train private car so sana me adwuma ha bode anopa uso ya e custom officer o ya adwuma ho ha bon so anopa me ko adwuma na yoko so me driving asana how obanim driving no it taking for 2 years asana otumi hunkaka so that way no you coming on me catch so minimum so Oscar mi hunka bia ato kan mami no mami say o choice ka bi 2 years scan ba or the bobo mi busia so because of the promise no azuma bia osuma mi yamano so you was a scanner ba on catch me Osi omi ba fa no ko baby. Ye ko baby a ko si single room 3 with land kakra bi dan wo. No, bo price no si o. On price no ya high on to me talk. So na mi ba fie na mi ka say Mr. Bernard, o si 2 years no scan ba scan ba on kan fi train. So mi kanu mi ni ji kan o to kan o kan accident sisi a ni skashi so on to me fast kan mami na mi ko to kan na mi so mi a driver o mami scanner mi fire den mi to bi ati say track na mi le to. That's okay. Sign no catch because me name so that me for 2 years. Me drive no that pay. So you buy up every day. Dana the enemy the nikini to Vanada no. Offer me the whole day man fa. Na Sunday evening. No baby fie say o. Offer me boss, na me friend master. I say my boss. Why you verse ladder also you? Me pay dada. Because we see about me. Let me travel driving for good 2 years. No chop money. Now scanner now promise say scanner baby. We see won't talk and mommy there. Me pay that I would there. And here. Now Sunday evening your bambi say. I just cast them about ring talk on by them there. Scanner ready. Kabia na me ready. Let me buy this scan. No so. Let me read me also. Maka samba say scanner ready there. Obama there. Bufu bianim. It was okay. Let me say okay, master. Also your custom officer maybe unya down for bina onya kanu bia. Let me be checki. Because be a driver mechanic. Let me be checki. Aye mamia na ento. Now one day, no friend me say o. Ni fit down for say o ka bi o. Poko si yanko hwe. Master your coffee ka ya me say o. Fit anu say aye 300 million last. Head you know. So can me need you can abre. Na you buy. Any sorry. Fit ani you check your colonel's office whatever. Ne ko check can papers. Ne hun ka una no ba ne ye free ka una no say can otonu 200 million. Ba enye 300 million. And so sana asam no buy there. Can you on top you. Nyaminti e ba hwe. So misu mi hun ka bia na mi frɛ no na hu so ka we mi mpe anu kore nyaminim na ofrɛ mi one day say o na that for be a company manager friend badge frit so o si ni ka bi nya accident mi ko check say mi ba to mi repair car na ye ka ma so mi ko car na si guy bo or fitting shop accident kan nyazan papa ba mi check kana ni frame engine bibia wo mpepepe ni frame engine bibia wo mpepepe na mi so mi paka no ni obato o so okay na ya na ka wona no ya ka price 250 million na o si oko jiscan oko jiscan check no de come papa no so a o frame na kanu mi accident bibia wie no no risk kanu mami obisam say kanu ni ton and repairing na ba consumption mami 500 million osi obasumi si an osi obasumi si mi ma 500 million no wie kanu untumi sese no a tam no obama no obagini ska pepepe mi so nyaminti abe so masa mi stati kanu ye repair na badu baby na kanu repair the cost ni nyina by 337 million now obisam say sisi dia mi wie kanu mi wie head no so 70 million
tipper truck
no trailer abo
trailer
yeah
and ono emma was come out the toy
yeah
say to na fire adwuma na fatete ka no
yeah yes I been say onya me madam fu na mi hu kanu say to mami
yes
na mi fa ya juma na mi tuaka
okay
yeah na mi wie kanu na mi pack kanu for 3 good days say eye paper cover the kanu mami so sana miti mi jini di kwa de asana o yiska we mam asana mi here paper no de then mi toka no mi fa mi niska man also masa mi toka we ya mi e driver so we dey here paper and now weakness e ben was so me you know like weakness baba ya juma
enti wa mama anye paper no
dabi
emre ni ntime pese ye boni tawinti eventually unya aka no
manya aka no
watimi aye adwuma atete ka no
manya adwuma titika ni nyina
watete ka ni nyina na eden na asi waje ka na fi wonsem
that one day I just me call Lodian of friends so boss me me so me Lodio say oh brasisia me say ada bibia na say oh ada wa dey na friends say oh anya hwe me brasisia masa me buy na say oh mata me talk anu internet so me fa kan me say car ben because me train drive we no to meet a private car abi your cost officer auto cheap na auto me nim say ni private car me no so kujo car no maton
waton
me fa kan but the monies were given 1 year me man 375,000
no 37,000
37,470
yeah and
1 year
adwuma tuama no
first year wow 4 years the second year no me man 27,870
okay
so me akasa me say ya to kanu skanu maka twen say me be ye adwuma to if the year ender saskanu nya ba da so me father na see
what the better na see okay
o si on pay asidabia because me so my brain no so on pay asidabia no ba chikanu ya ka union for no kan ya o si o kakra me friend say o Nigeria o ya Cosby o South Africa o ya Cosby o me say me tia say na me call ni boss wo law room na ko chi chama say ni na say no on ko ba bia o transfer no o libo o libo no friend say me di assembly brand so ambraba solve case no obaya yoko ye union no o ka kire union for no say sana ye bia entuami sa o si ye work can be verbal agreement yeah de na me fa ya juma no en calculate na tuama mi o si o mami skabia sana onim no o skabia mami agogo ha mi ko ha betalo ya bia wono so on fa penny bia mami
en fa ma
ensi yo mi sa manage sa ko court koko ye bibia wi mi receipt the evidence ni nyina o mo se mi fa bra se kan wo chen utota han fita han na ko di o ya no anu ati aduma bia mi ye bia mi di receipt no to file no mi dia minim salomo maka kire mi say mi fa original no to mi chene mi ye photocopy bra o mo ka fi tire mi receipt ma o mo asana mi lawyer no say mi ko fa redocument de bra receipt bia ni mo court on receipt bia ni mo court on ye hihye ni pan na ye check so receipt ye check because of that no mi case no omunya frɛ case na hangi because mi lawyer no say o person stand or receipt no so
okay waje trailer ne so
waje
after say we 2 years can you
waje o mami 1 city po mi safri no ko omu office no wa
custom office
ministry no last year no mi call commander of MTT or habo no mami Mr dama boss dama number for here so account to ministry omu friend no ye bisa asem ne nya ye cheche mu nyina mu si ade na ye nye mu mami kana tua mami omu si omu be frɛ asem no up to 7 months ni omu si omu be frɛ e kakra na mi ko na mi bi so who dia ye be frɛ up to now
asem ndi ono so da so we lubo ho
oda abi si say obatema
wabatema or your immigration and customs
customs officer yeah
enti trailer no watomampa
o sa time no court case no ebemo obi aka twen say onto okanu a bomis omu baka say fa kanu bra so kanu apaka no ti say be like 3 years. So on say asem no I joke aka me say osan repair ma obi.
But initially no said okay a verbal agreement. Na agreement then say wutimi tua car ne ka wi a wo befa.
Yeah. Car no there automami.
Ono toma.
Oh yeah.
Say use
ne
tua ne car.
Yeah. Me akasa me ko hu car no. Press bibia me akasa because oni hwi car no. Yeah.
Na me be say me hu say muji tu mu say me to amount. Use ne tua car wi a na wafa.
Yeah.
Sana muji tu.
Yeah. Paper bibia skabia mi fa man
no sika ne menim say wo discount man.
Yeah.
But was it the agreement say fire adwuma ne tua car wi afa?
Yeah.
Sana tie.
Yeah.
And on adane no.
Yeah.
Waje car na free.
No.
But unfortunately man sign bibia wo paper so.
I'm not see you car no me pack car no for 3 good
3
days.
days.
Say
Say
so yeah because of
Adom for new.
see me I'm not got to book ya brand. Me go school. On one got to book me ba every month bia oba na ye
account.
1 year pe no na from me say account. 6 months no na from me say account. Also no can say me yard ba say eh with this short time to account oba no but
and during the time and now the car na ye adwuma wutua na every month no na otua wo car
dabi
on ma wo hwe
dabi
indi wona wunya ska free hin kakra wo so ana so they show how far
yeah maybe me kokuma say ah me charge it say that time no me fa double container kokuma say that time is 28 million so me ba maybe me to me ko akra me no na me sa akra scan me kokuma say ba that means akra and tama ba ko na me ko a week asa na me kokuma say ba me the expenses kokuma say ba me ba na me man 28 ni maybe me get say 1 million before chop money for house council say on say car no me na me total me na me ye bibia me ye bibia me na mechanic
and also all your customs ni
your custom Bernard Roma
ni din no
yeah ni boss a friend no obi aka just ade na we unfa ka no ma tuamka ozi o ye nzimani na sam obi atumi ka Ghana ha mirinu kokot obizaze mirinu kokot o ma frankes na miriko bedia mi fa no ko bia umufo onim ade na oye so masa na obi atumi ka Ghana
and court intimi fair case no
because of the receipt
because a lawyer say wunya receipt
yeah receipt
and where a receipt on covering them
for spare parts na to the car no but bibia mi to bia mi throw book
o throw book nim and a receipt nso ndi u be se de yanya
unless they are court na obacheki because me the document bibia ko court onu meaning the reason receipt bayira or court them no
what the receipt then na
court onu
oh
no umuyi receipt
in the court registrar no eji we receipt bibia
nipa na your document man or Jimmy evidence ni na
and your honor must ayira hey that's an interesting case wow and no wonder say guy ni so obi antime nya na the court cry am free case no onim de why
50s receipt no ya back 57
receipt ni nyina ayira
nyina back be
that's really interesting wow and a lawyer no so nya ho hwe o lawyer no
oh mi lawyer no o se sa na tibia okoko hu ni lawyer na yes ka bia antumi ji kanu
okay
antumi ji kanu na sa ji scan so umu bakanu mo man up to now one city me driving for good 2 years on twa who couple adwani na obadi o kanu asa na miri ni travel for on toma o si ubanya bibia asa no bre miri na si ni nyama manu mi ba na ye bibia bia kasa mi bunsuo manu da bia
oh
niri ni ha niri otakurari so mi ba miri na saving it say ye nuanu ma na papa
and were you so pa oh kafra
masa nya easy
yeah I can see that kafra akwanitri more than and also that so serve as a customs officer
yes sir
tigo ebedi etre and especially so the amount of case near interesting quite a court na dey no say what the evidence nyina ko 57 receipts nyina ya it doesn't make sense It doesn't make sense. Nti you be the wood and it's quite interesting. Wood and it is here who to an amount being. Wajeka no.
Wajeka.
It is here the Ubon Pais Ubenya car for Frenchy.
Na me dia chua Busiana.
Busiana Boka.
Busiana.
Busiana would be a hospital near. Oh, bounce was some near pa.
And case no say work court. Meaning the day final judgment in Ebeba. And I say, fine, me say, Beja, kiss me.
Among force is single for Ghana, hapa.
She say, a idea, our system who talk up on his maintenance on it. At a week, says now, and be a vessel and one of it. Tai say, one of it, insurance, roadway, be out of
time, and not a year. Matomi taxi the amount. China be sales mameno. Say no we sales ma car owner. Bibi say a car owner na fa. And then it's good because I don't know. And no say we tria utimi nya twi bi di kaka. Unso save kaka ka we just cut out.
Say no na your drivers na obi afọ sanko obi abenye ebenye ono so na die. Enye de bia na de bia obey yes.
I don't know work and pay no.
Ebe ma.
Enticing to some of you.
Yes.
And no problem e dey aban.
E dey aban. You see me dey any say oji wasan dey am obi o. Wasan dey am obi work and pay. Matisa wasan ji free. Nti obe man pa be 3. Nti oji afa no ayre waton. Nti business e wo system. So ni say the ban cost them onu woska. Okwa ko follow ya. Wu ni ska ko follow ya nti. Ni na bibli na so woni omo gina so. Omo ahun say the we odi ejuma betimi atua no. Onu abetimi asan dey awo kete. Onu ka den ne papa na ye konfupeni wo akwawu. On na betia voter region konfupeni tita me pa me fa no kono kokpo ana mso yo maire mate nti e ma adwembo ne ba me te o ka sa me so me ne nkofo me fa man bi ama me ne ma ne trans o si o konfobo kedi
anka wo ko ho
ka me ko ba sada na me ka sa me ko na madam for bi twi me de ko all night preaching na ba no to preach na me saka me so me de ma jama no
o jama nyame
once I me wu ye nkwa de me nkwa me nim de me menya and ma forget nti idea was system no o me de sisi pa
o de idea say as we see kana shio ana
masa say once a company there me nim say
ezia woni o contact bi to omo
there be o contact bi bia just say osofo na make us pastor Akam or Ashama ono na ya at times mishia na o si o ono so onti o
why official complaint to the police
of then I say anka me call official complaint our police station no that they me should share documents and me call complaining in me wo bag me pack sa documents ni na gum sa documents ni ayira
and you see kana
the show we won.
Yes.
Yes, some segment we are on Wednesday from 9 to 10. For education. Any amount for problems or more. You found group by group. And see, one thing runs through. Taxi drivers, from last week, basically this week, one thing runs through. Proper documentation agreement and educate amount for so we will be bibi papa we say the receipt naira but na or bookie or entries but entries na o ma papa no encounter signing ni na or counter signing bi but enye ni nyina enye sankai no kra no will be evidence in court educate amount for na ye person edit dwan so say we are going to continue next week ye another group beba and some on some bin so na say group bi mo ye dressmakers mo ye bakers mo ye na say mo ya some ye omo show nye show omo show nti omo contacting ye na ye to as na enye
na mo nyina so mo de mo ni paper document bi
me de paper wo bibia
also the
agreement from the girls.
Okay, Mate. You better the see. Nyame ya Adom you better sign atwa so, and all the would follow up on yours. Why? Na ya share. Also, they do an official complaint to the police. Or they at least do a complaint to the police. Now we'll take it from there. Why? The official complaint to the police. Now and share.
Obi ma memre mukakra. Taxi drivers no. Omuntu omboase. Atom ribia obi nipa de car no be ma no no obetuma se bia a week metuma ma 500 Ghana wo bra won start adwuma no nim se bia obetuma ya na won nti bo ho so a car owner no wafa wo wasem no nti omu
in the one far mape
na kwa ya
some basis for him to then no so yeah one good point my am sorry na yem fine see nyame adoma ochina ye besen ato so me dey your say bonso good morning
3 FM Jim FM 106